Hello students, welcome to the previous year question series of CUET 2025. In this series, we have been discussing about the questions that came in CUET 2024. So we have already posted videos of the questions which came in CUET 2022 and CUET 2023. This is the part 2. We have already posted the part 1 in which we have discussed question number 1 to 12 that came in 2024. I'm Divyanshu Gupta, your mentor for CUET 2025. So coming to the first question which we have, or the 13th question in the paper, procedures that address the operational conditions providing the foundation for the HACCP system are known as. This question has came from HACCP topic, or if the subcategory we talk about, it is food safety. So first of all, you should know the full form of HACCP, that is Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. So that is a full form of HACCP. So the answer for this question is PRP, that is prerequisite programs. So prerequisite programs, PRP, are the operational conditions or the procedures that discuss the operational conditions which provide the foundation for the HACCP system. So this question came in CUET 2024. Then next we have blended chocolate should contain not less than -% of cocoa solid. So we have different types of chocolates that are available in the market. We have milk chocolate, we have your sweet chocolate, then hard chocolate, bitter chocolate, then your pure chocolate, 100% pure cocoa chocolate. So we have blended chocolate also, in which we are using a combination. So in that 3% is the ideal limit. That means it should not contain not less than 3% cocoa solids. It should contain more than 3% cocoa solids. Then the next question which we have, the boiling point of 50% sucrose solution is -degree Celsius. So I guess everyone has studied that in chemistry 2020, your 12th class chemistry. So in that we were told that as soon as you add something in water, its boiling point will increase, because as soon as you will add sugar into your water, it will increase the boiling point, because that sugar will also require energy in order to get heated, in order to start evaporate. So your ideally answer for this question is 102°C. Then the next question, the temperature, time and pressure combination of autoclaving at laboratory scale is, that is your time temperature combination for your autoclave. So that is 121°C for 15 to 20 minutes at 15 psi. So second is the right answer for this question. So if you are still confused from where to start your preparation, because some people might think that these questions are very common, but they still are not able to guess the answers for this question. So you need strategic planning for your exam, and for that Aggravation has already launched a CUET 2025 course in which we interact with you on daily live lectures. You are also given your test series, then full length test series, and all the dedicated notes for your preparation for your food technology course. So if you are interested in joining that course, you can contact on the number given on the screen, and you can come in that class, and that might be useful for you. Also, various students last year got selected into various central universities and got exceptional rank of 2, 3 and 4. You can be the next, and you can be one of those students. So you can join that course. That will be obviously useful for you, because if you start if you do preparation for a single thing or every day on, like, for some limited amount of time, that will compound itself. Like if you are preparing for an exam for at least 2 hours every day, and that exam has around 8 to 9 months which are left, so obviously you will be very good on that topic. You will have a hold, or you will have a good grip of that subject. So next question we have, structural integrity of starch polymeric chains of wheat flour is measured by, this answer is falling number. So falling number is the number which will tell the structural integrity of the polymeric chains of the wheat starch. Then the next question, the basic steps involved in the preparation of kumis are. So kumis is one of the dairy based beverages which is being made. It is made out of your horse milk or your mare milk, if you technically say. So the steps which are involved in the preparation of kumis is, first of all, you will go for homogenization of the selected milk type. Then you will go for pasteurization of the milk, which is followed by cooling. So this is for your B, A. Then you will go for addition of starcher culture, incubation, and then cooling. And then you will go for agitation of coagulum, packing, and storage. So B, A, D, and C. So B, A, D, C, that is third is the right answer for this question. Then the next question which we have is area under the extensograph curve and the representative dough strength. So this has come from the rheological properties of the dough, which are also used in the preparation of various types of your products. Like for the pasta, it will be different. For your wheat, for your bread, it will be different. For your normal tortilla or normal type of chapati, it will be different. So 80 represents your weak. Then 80 to 120 represents your medium strong. Then 120 to 200 represents strong, and then greater than 200 represents very strong. So the answer is A for second, B for first. So A for second, B for first, that is the first option, and C for fourth, D for third. So first option is the right answer for this question. Then the next question which we have is high sugar wafers contain more than dash percent of sugar. So 10% is the ideal amount of sugar that is going into your any type of sweet thing. For example, you are consuming ice cream, you are consuming any type of flavored milk, and even your soft drink which you buy from the market, that Coca-Cola and all. So those contain about 10% sugar. So that is the standard. So if you are going for high sugar wafer, they will ideally contain more than 10% of sugar. Then the next question in this series is arrange the general processing steps of your pulses. So your soaking, germination, cooking, decortication, and then fermentation. So for this question, the answer is A, C, B, and D. So first of all, you go for soaking and germination, then you will go for decortication, then you will go for cooking, and then you will go for fermentation. So this is the right sequence in which you will go for processing of pulses. So A, C, B, and D, third is the right option for this question. Then the next question, mold growth in muffins is controlled by the addition of which type of additive or preservatives? So calcium propenoate is the answer. So usually propenoids are added in your bakery products or your food products in order to prevent the mold growth or fungal growth, because those will alter the alter the growth of those microorganisms. So your sodium hydroxide, baking soda, baking powder are not at all used. Even sodium hydroxide cannot be used in food, first of all. Second, baking powder and baking soda are used in your bakery products, but the reason why they are used is different, because they are acting as a leavening agent. But calcium propenoids, bromates and all, they are used for increasing the shelf life and also for a better yield of your bakery products. Then the next question is, dash is the rigidity in plant cells which results from being filled with water. So cell turgor is the rigidity in the plant cell, because I guess this is a very common topic. Everyone has studied this in your 10th or 11th class, in that your plant kingdom, those topics were there. So what they are telling is, as soon as a plant cell will absorb water, it will hold some substantial amount of pressure, and that pressure is known as your cell turgor. Then the next question is nature of the toxin and the target organ. So first of all, if you talk about mutagenic, so we all have studied about mutagenesis in your biotechnology. And so what is mutagenic? It will directly affect the DNA. Then we have the teratogenic. Teratogenic, that means it can your pass through the placental barrier. It can transfer from a mother to the next offspring. So teratogenic is your skin. Then nephrotoxic, nephrons are found in kidney, and neurotoxic is the CNS, that is your central nervous system, brain. So brain has neurons, and that is why it is called as neurotoxic. So A is 1, B is 3. So this is the sequence in which you will find A is 1, B is 3, A1, B3, C is 2, and D is 4. So second is the right answer for this question. So all these questions were asked in CUET 2024 exam. That was all for this video. I hope all the questions which we discussed were clear. If you still have any doubt, or if you want a further clarification on any of the questions, you can comment down your queries. I can reply, and I will surely give a better explanation of all these queries. So that was all for this video. You can even follow us on all these social media handles in order to get regular updates about any information or any news that we post on them. They are usually associated with updates or advancement which are found in your food or agriculture industry. Even we have some regular post which we keep posting, like a series of posts, like your monthly series and your quarterly series of some magazines and all, which are covering all the updates which are from your food industry or agriculture industry. So all this will be eventually useful for you, and even you can interact with more people who are going through your same cause, like many people who are preparing for CUET, many people who are preparing for UGC and GATE, or your junior food analyst. Various exams are there. Those might be useful for you. So that was all for this video. All the best for your preparation, and we'll soon post the part 3. This was the part 2 in which we discussed the 12 questions which were asked in CUET 2024. So thank you all for watching. We'll meet again in the next video.